To my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price chart of Pinterest INC. Now this is one of those stocks. Once it started moving higher, people started jumping and they will think that there is no tomorrow on the upside. Okay, it will go continuously on the upside, and when it is moving down or falling down, you know, even though it is falling down, the trend is on the downside, people don't want to let it go. I don't know the kind of psyche people do have in some of the things, which is I mean, you know, you can't go beyond or you can't go opposite to the market forces. If you do, you will get hurt, as simple as that. It does not matter who will be the person or the institution. Generally institution don't do, persons do this kind of thing. Okay, so anyways, the chart is quite interesting and the levels are even more interesting. If you do understand, then you need to understand couple of things. I will go to the chart, but I will let you know couple of things. Right now this stock Pinterest INC is trading at a trailing 12 months PE of nearly 54 times. Now, I mean, why should I give or why should I purchase a stock with a 54 times PE and EPS is not even a dollar? If you are looking at EPS, it is not even a dollar, right? I'm just this is my observation. You may or may not be the one who is actually looking or who is actually get satisfied with it, but this is just the way I think. And let me tell you that this is you can call it as a technology company. Okay, there is no actual goods and services they are producing. This is an online platform, and if you are looking at this particular here we are. If you are looking at the financials, so the EPS, as you can see, the EPS were in negative for the last 3 years, and now it will turn into positive. Now we have companies, we have lots of companies who have good balance sheet, who have huge amount of free cash flow, and they are giving good dividends as well. So if I think about all these things, then probably this is not going to be the stock which one should look for. Okay, but market does not works on fundamental all the time. That's also very true, and people generally moves with momentum. Okay, and this is a true fact. Most of the times fundamental don't work, and there are very few people who stick to fundamental, but they are also looking for a reasonable price, and they are also taking support of technicals. Right now, if you are looking at the chart of Pinterest, you will see the range which is $22 on the downside. Then we have 23.82, and the upper end of the range is 27.39 or 27.4. So this section is very important. And until and unless the stock moves beyond this section, it does not matter whether it will go down or move up, but until and unless the stock moves beyond this range, you can't tell anything. Okay, if it goes beyond if it goes below $22, if the stock moves below $22 like this, then one must not, or one should not try to catch the bottom, because for the record, you have your next big support, or the low that the stock has made in the year 2020 is going to be $10. So probably $10 is going to be the next big support which one should look for, below $22. And only if the stock started trading above 27.5 or $28, then we can go for an upside. Then we can think about an upside, but it will be a trading bounce. So in that case, the level which we have here will be 32.66, then 36.9. We will move forward and we will see uh, here we are, 54.45, 61.87, and I will stretch it to the previous highs. I will tell you the reason why. After 61.87 we have 66.34, then we have 82.24, and the big target will be $90 on the upside. And as I'm telling you, I'll tell you again that this is going to be a trading bounce, nothing more, nothing less. Now, why I have stretched my targets to the maximum extent is because when the market be in momentum again, it's not going to stop at a particular level. Everybody knows that, and those who are in the market, those who are experienced, they know that when the momentum starts, when an uptrending momentum starts, it's not going to stop at a particular level, and people started jumping on with whatever money they have, and they want to take a punt on this. The only risk is if it moves below $22. As I have already told you, do not carry forward or do not take any position if the stock moves below $22, and focus on the stock if only it started trading above 28. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.